The Lazy Gardener's Guide, 2025 Smartest Trends for Effortless Green Thumbs. If you've ever dreamed of having a thriving vegetable garden but couldn't commit to daily digging, watering, and weeding, you're not alone. The 2025 gardening wave is all about efficiency and sustainability, making gardening less about hard labor and more about smart systems. With a rise in AI-powered planning apps, self-watering containers, and vertical beds, even small balconies are turning into mini Edens. People are now designing smart lazy gardens, low-maintenance plots that yield high returns with minimal input. A combination of slow-release organic fertilizers, drought-resistant seeds, and automation tools is helping urban and suburban growers turn limited space into highly productive food zones. This is gardening tailored for the busy lifestyle. More food, less fuss. The biggest trend this year is container-based gardening that thrives on auto-regulated watering systems. It's not just a space saver, but also a water saver. By using moisture sensors connected to smart timers or even AI gardening assistants, people can monitor and adjust hydration levels through their phones. The 2025 buzzword is closed-loop hydration, where containers recycle water runoff, feeding it back to the soil without human intervention. Paired with compostable mulch discs and mycorrhizal fungi powders. These setups not only save time, but supercharge plant growth. Tomatoes, spinach, peppers, and herbs like basil or mint are ideal for these containers and can grow in just a few square feet. The trend reflects a shift from traditional plots to modular, stackable, and even portable garden systems. Another emerging hit for 2025 is bio-companion planting, a technique that has taken off on social platforms due to its powerful visuals and real-world benefits. This method involves pairing vegetables and herbs that naturally support each other's growth. Think of basil repelling pests for tomatoes or planting marigolds alongside cucumbers to deter nematodes. Gardeners are embracing the aesthetic and functional side of mixing plants, using symmetry and color to design beds that are not only productive, but Instagram-worthy. These combinations also reduce the need for pesticides, making the entire process more organic and eco-conscious. People are now building raised beds divided into color-coded sections, each with its own set of companion crops, which makes it easier to manage and more attractive to showcase. Lastly, the edible landscape movement continues to expand. This is where vegetable gardening merges with ornamental gardening. Lettuce varieties in purple, green, and red are planted alongside calendula, edible violas, and rainbow chard to create a living food mosaic. Instead of tucking gardens behind the house, people are making them the centerpiece of their front yards and balconies. Low-maintenance edible perennials like asparagus, rhubarb, and kale are being styled like decorative shrubs, while small fruit trees are espaliered along fences for both beauty and bounty. The concept of food as art is driving how people design their vegetable gardens, with symmetry, color balance, and visual storytelling at the heart of it. In 2025, growing your own food isn't just practical, it's a design statement.